What's up guys, it's Om and welcome to my tutorial for the origami angelfish. It's my own design and it is not very difficult to fold.
It has light fins and nice tail.
So here we go, the origami angelfish. You will need a 16 square origami paper. Begin with color side up, fold along the diagonals, fold precisely, unfold. Now fold. This point aligns this point. Align the corners and the edges and make a sharp crease. Unfold. Now turn over. Now fold the paper in half, in diagonally and also in vertically. So bring this upper edge and align it to the bottom edge. Align the corners and the edges and make a sharp crease. Unfold. Now bring this right edge and align it to the left edge. As again, align the corners and the edges and make a sharp crease. Now unfold. Now we have to make a square base out of these creases. Now bring these two and these three.
These 2 points on this point.
This. You will notice that this paper also comes in that point, just like this, and then crease sharply. Now make a fold that this edge aligns it to the middle edge. I'm little zooming such that you can understand it. Align the corners and the edges and make a sharp crease. Now also fold it on this edge.
Fold such that this crease align this crease and make a sharp crease. Now turn over and repeat these steps on this. Unzoom.
Now unfold these two flaps and these two flaps. Now make a fold now unfold this edge, this flap a little and push this edge inside it on the existing creases. And this valley fold into a mountain fold, just like this. Now repeat on this side.
Now repeat these steps on this side.
Now make a fold such that this point aligns this point. make a sharp crease. Now make a fold such that this point aligns with this point. Such like this. Now repeat on this point. This again. This point aligns with this point. Now make a rabbit ear fold on existing creases. So bring these two flaps together. Bring these two and make a fold like this. Now bring this flap down. Now repeat these steps we are made in this one on this side.
Now make a fold such that this point aligns this point. And make it such that this point aligns with this point. Now make a fold such that this point aligns with this point. Make a rabbit ear fold, bring these two together and fold it right there and bring this flap down.
Now make a fold such that this edge aligns with the middle edge. Very sharply because it will result in the shaping of the angel fish. Now repeat this step on this edge.
Align this edge to the middle edge. Crease sharply. Now turn over the paper. Now repeat these steps on this edge, this side. And this edge to the middle edge. Now repeat same over here. And this edge to the middle edge.
Now the most complicated fold has come. Now make a fold such that this valley fold will become a mountain fold. Unfold. To do that, you have to push your thumb inside this pocket, and then slowly push it out, and then start pinching from this point. Pinch. Make sure that this paper could not tear. Now repeat this step on this side. Push your thumb inside this pocket
And start pinching from this corner. If you have difficulties, unfold this a little and push your finger inside it. And start pinching and make a sharp crease.
Now make all creases well sharply. Our origami fish is all done. If you like this model, be sure to give a thumb up down below. And if you want more videos just like this, then subscribe to my channel by clicking right here. Or see more about my videos to click right here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.